Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Today in this video I have come up with amazing crochet circle mandala dresses for ladies and girls. Is a decorative circle patterns created using crochet techniques specifically designed for females of different ages. These mandalas are crafted by working in rounds starting from the center and gradually expanding outward in a circle shapes, as you can see in the images. They're very trending in nowadays. You can wear it on any t-shirt and any dress, and you can contrast it with the pair, so you will look more stylish and trending and fashionable. They can feature intricate stitches, beautiful patterns, and a wide range of color to suit individual preferences. So crochet circle mandalas are for ladies and girls, can be used in various ways such as well decorations, table centerpieces, or even incorporated into clothing and accessories like shawl, bags, or hats. But in this video I am showing you in dressing way, so they provide a touch of creativity, femininity and beauty to any space or outfit, whether as a gift or for personal use. Crochet circuit mandalas are a delightful addition to a ladies or girls collection. So if you're planning to buy something in this summer or winter season, you would definitely go for the crochet, and this will save you a lot of money. And even you can crocheting it by yourself, or if you are running a store or small business, you can take orders and it will give you a boost sale. So yeah, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and let me know your favorite crochet patterns.